what you are good at. Are you doing everything yourself in your business? Even things you are not good at? You see, most couples make this mistake. They split the work just to be fair, without considering who is actually skilled at each task. Si Hazel at saka si Matthew, they run a laundry shop with 4 helpers. 3 taon na silang nag-ooperate. They divided their tasks like this. Okay, alternate tayo. Monday to Wednesday, ikaw ang mag-manage ng counter. Thursday to Saturday, ako naman. Sounds fair nga naman, di ba? Naku anak, hindi. Kasi si Hazel, she's good with people. She remembers customers' names, she knows kung kailan ang pick up ng mga suki. She can handle complaints with a smile and she loves making customers feel welcome. Pero si Matthew is good with systems. He can organize pickup schedules, he knows how to maintain the machines. He can negotiate well with chemical suppliers, he's technical and detail-oriented. And so, whenever there are complaints or a customer seems makulit, he gets easily annoyed. But they ignore this strength difference. They force themselves to do what the other person was good at. Kaya Hazel would try to check the machines pero she gets confused with all the settings. Si Matthew naman would try to handle angry customers pero he's too serious and too technical. They wasted time trying to be good at things na hindi naman nila strength. Ang totoo, don't divide work based on fairness. Divide it based on kung sino ang magaling. So ask yourself, ano ba yung kaya kong gawin na walang instructions? Ano yung enjoy kong gawin kahit napagod ako? Ano yung mabilis kong matapos compared sa partner ko? That's your strength. Kaya don't fight it. Use it. Stop wasting energy trying to be good at everything. Start investing your energy sa kung saan ka talagang magaling. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.